To verify student hours that they have completed on placement, first of all, log into your My Progress account. You may have received an email that you can log into to access, or alternatively, you can just go to the site and log in. You will then find all of the students that you have been allocated as a clinical assessor for in this home page here. To complete timesheets, click on the student that you wish to verify hours for and go to placement timesheets. To note, it is clear on their dashboard that they have 12 unverified hours for this student on their current placement block. This also equates over here on their whole course hours. This will change as we verify. So again, placement timesheets, this will open up to verified hours initially, and then if you look over here in the darken area, unverified hours. Click on unverified hours, and then you go through and double check that this information is correct, ensuring that the date is correct, the hours that they allocated themselves that they worked are correct, and importantly, the improver name and email may not be yourself. You are the clinical assessor, and your role is to ensure that the student has had their hours verified, but the student may have worked with another facilitator on that day, or clinical partner, as we call them. And if that's the case, their information will be allocated here. So please ensure that you have checked and verified that these hours are correct. When you're happy, you can click on here and it will come up with bulk actions. If there's multiple hours that you're checking at the same time, because being aware that you can verify hours once a week is sufficient, you will have multiple. If there's one that you're not happy with, you can deselect that specific one. You can do multiple by clicking at the top there. And then once you're happy with the one you go, then you can say verify, and then I'll ask you to confirm, which you will do so. And then you can see there that it is swapped over to a verified hours now. So if you go back and look at this student's actual dashboard, you can see clearly now this has changed from that orange to a blue. If you have concerns that a student hasn't done the hours, they can actually remove their hours themselves, and there's a video on that in the student section. Alternatively, if you do believe there's a discrepancy and the student doesn't agree with you, you can reach out to the midwifery academic team and discuss this further.